Want to see me struggle while learning a new skill? Keep on watching. The new skill I'm learning in this video is called lino printing. If you're not familiar with this concept, it's basically the process of carving your own stamp in a material called linoleum, which explains the name, and then making beautiful, unique art prints with it. The first time I tried this, I was at an event called Creative Life, and I did a workshop there and enjoyed it so much. Like, I was so focused the entire time, and I don't know, it kind of was relaxing, so I decided to try it at home, and that's what you see in this video. So I'll first show you the materials in case you want to do this too. To start lino carving, you need carving blocks, and I use this one by SD. This is a 10 pack, so I can make many prints with this one. And yeah, this is very flexible stuff. It's a bit rubbery, and you can even wash this one if you need to. Then up next I have this little box for the carving tools. You have this thing which you place the knives into, and you have to be careful because these knives are sharp and you can cut yourself with this, so be careful. Then for ink, I use these Versa Craft inking pads. They are very small, but they're for fabric, paper, wood and more, so I thought they would come in handy if I ever wanted to print these stamps on something else than paper. Then you have paper you can print on. I use this cotton rag handmade paper, and it has this beautiful texture, which makes printing a little bit difficult, as you will find out in this video, but I think it looks very pretty, so this is the brand I use. Those are the materials I use. You can use anything from other brands if you have those or if those are available for you. But yeah, let's watch the video because it's quite the process. Enjoy! A few weeks ago I cut my own stamp. That was this one. A little bee with a flower. Let me just clean up those parts a little bit. Although it's the first try on this paper, I don't want the paper to be ruined because it's just too pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. I don't know if I hit the paper right. I kind of felt like I dropped the stamp a bit too soon. I'm pressing it really well, but I'm curious to see how it turns out. Okay, let's see. Could be better, but I think it looks pretty cute actually. And the ink looks very black. Did I pick the wrong one? No. It's supposed to be dark brown, but the paper makes it look black. What do you think? Is it a cute print? This is the progress I've made last night. I have to remove a lot more of the background and make some extra details in the fur. But I made a test print. So this is what it looks like right now, and I think it's pretty cute. Okay, I just did the 4th attempt and it's the best one yet, but there are still a few tiny things that I want to fix, like mostly up here. But it looks great around here and the bears themselves look good. So yeah, not long to go now. I'm going to do some testing on the inks and getting my inking and printing technique under control. I have my stamps here and a few ink options over here. I actually think it looks very fun like this. So yeah, now I have to pick which one of these I want to use. I'm tempted to use the blue and the black because they have the most contrast with the paper. So yeah, I'll see how that goes because I want to test it on another piece and really be creative with this one. So we'll check. Here's the first attempt now. Yeah, it's not as good as I hoped. The ink still is there on a lot of places here, so it's not showing up here, but I think it's because the paper is so textured. Like I can't really get it flat, so what do I do? The rest is fun as well. No, I think it should be better. It should be better. Here's the new one with blue ink. I think this ink is a little bit more, how do you say that? It's a bit more, I don't know, juicy. It's a weird word for it, but I think it works better. I just didn't wait long enough for the circle to dry, so it's a bit bleeding there. But overall, I think this one looks way better, and I think it's a cute card or print or thing. What do you think? I like it. I'm gonna work on this one. The blue with the gold. And this is the final print. I made 8 of these now and sold 2 of them already. I'm super happy with how it turned out and I think it's very fun to do. The bear, you might wonder where that's gone. Well, I tried printing it but it didn't really work out. This is the second try. I might need to use a different ink for these because yeah, like this it doesn't work because the paper is just too textured. So if you have any tips for me on that part, let me know, and thank you for joining my lino printing process.